Hi there. It might have felt like winter lately, but the first of the summer-style thunderstorms are on their way for some parts of the UK later Wednesday. For the time being, a lot of cloud across the country on Wednesday afternoon. Still some brighter spells, certainly a brighter and drier day for western areas. The front now that brought the rain on Tuesday fizzling out and just leaving a legacy of cloud for parts of Northern Ireland into Wales and the south. Some outbreaks of rain along that, especially for central southern parts of England into South Wales, for example, and another system bringing some lower cloud into eastern Scotland and some light outbreaks of rain or showers here. But there will be some sunny spells. East Anglia, for example, parts of Lincolnshire, western Scotland favoured for some decent spells of sunshine and feeling pleasant in the sunny spells with temperatures up into the high teens, perhaps even 20, 21, 22 Celsius, something like Cambridge or even parts of western Scotland, but a continued cool feel along the coast of eastern Scotland. That's going to remain the theme over the next couple of days. Now, the front I mentioned that we saw on Tuesday, well, that's going to become reactivated overnight. What we've got is an area of low pressure over the continent and some very warm air being drawn northwards and then coming at the UK around from the east. And with that warmer air coming in from the east, colliding with cooler Atlantic air towards the southwest, this weather front will bring some thundery rain into central southern parts and later southwestern parts overnight. So the cloud and the outbreaks of rain that we see through the afternoon for the central and southern part of the UK, that's going to become heavier and more widespread into the evening. And then our attention turns to France, where some thunderstorms are likely to develop and could well move northwards to affect southern parts of England after midnight. A lot of uncertainty, as is always the case, in terms of the exact location of these thunderstorms. They'll be very hit and miss. Not everyone will see one. But where they do occur, there is that risk of frequent lightning, some large hail and torrential rainfall. I'd say southern parts of England into South Wales, there's the risk by Thursday morning of 50 millimetres in places, and much of that could fall in a short space of time. Other areas seeing very little, as is always the case with hit and miss thunderstorms. Now, away from the south and southwest, it's mostly dry overnight, although there will be increasing amounts of low cloud into the east of England, eastern Scotland as well. 8 Celsius here, western Scotland staying clear. So we start off Thursday with those thundery outbreaks of rain moving north-westwards across Wales and southwest England, further downpours possible in the south and southeast at times through the morning as well. But by mid-morning, we're left with this area of persistent, albeit less thundery rain across parts of Wales and the southwest. A lot of cloud here, and a lot of cloud continuing to feed into the east and northeast of England, eastern Scotland with this breeze coming from the east-northeast. That's going to make it feel particularly cool, 11 or 12 Celsius. So no warming up trend here, but look at the contrast across the country. We've got 20, 21 Celsius through the Midlands, East Anglia, northwest England, and for western Scotland as well, 20, 21 Celsius. And somewhere like Cambridgeshire could hit 22, even 23 Celsius if there's some sunshine, because there's always the chance of further showers developing as the afternoon goes on across some of these southern parts of the UK. Now, the rain for Wales and the southwest tends to peel away during Thursday evening, but there'll be further showers in places as the evening gets going. And then into Friday, certainly some showers around or some longer spells of rain. And the weekend, suffice to say, is looking very mixed. There'll be a lot of cloud. There'll be some rain and showers about as well.